Yahoo Mail versus Gmail, your digital filing cabinet. In today's digital age, our lives are increasingly intertwined with technology. From banking to socializing, most of our activities now revolve around online platforms. Amidst this digital revolution, email has emerged as a cornerstone of communication, but it's also a powerful tool for organization and storage. Two of the most popular email services, Yahoo Mail and Gmail, offer a plethora of features to help you manage your digital life. One of the most convenient ways to use email as a digital filing cabinet is by sending yourself important information. Whether it's a document, a photo, or a simple note, you can easily save it for future reference by emailing it to yourself. This method is particularly useful for those who struggle to keep track of files or prefer a centralized location for their digital data. Let's take a look at Vinny, a man who discovered the joys of using email as his personal database. Vinny was notorious for his forgetfulness. He'd often misplace important documents or forget phone numbers. One day, his friend suggested using email as a digital filing system. Vinny was skeptical at first, but he gave it a try. He started by sending himself a list of his grocery items, his wife's birthday, and even the password to his favorite streaming service. To his surprise, he found it incredibly helpful. Vinny's forgetfulness became a thing of the past as he relied on his trusty email inbox to keep him organized. Both Yahoo Mail and Gmail offer robust search functionalities that make it easy to find specific emails. To search for an email, simply open your inbox and enter a keyword or phrase in the search bar. The search results will display all relevant emails, making it a breeze to locate the information you need. When it comes to pricing and storage, both Yahoo Mail and Gmail offer generous free plans. Yahoo Mail provides a substantial amount of storage for your emails, while Gmail offers a slightly smaller amount. However, both services offer paid plans with even more storage and additional features for those with higher storage needs. So, which service is right for you? Ultimately, the choice between Yahoo Mail and Gmail comes down to personal preference. Both services offer excellent features and are reliable options for your digital filing needs. And now for a little joke. Why did the Scarecrow love his job? Because it was outstanding in his field. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, share, and like this video. This content was created with the help of artificial intelligence and some very smart smartphones. God bless you and yours.